Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some Oreo cookie brownies. And you're probably thinking, that sounds pretty good. Let me tell you, these brownies are beyond good. 4 layers. We have the brownie layer, topped with Oreo cookies, and a layer of cookies and cream frosting, and also a layer of chocolate on top. These brownies are no holds barred, and you definitely will need a fork. Today's video is part of a collaboration put on by my friend Desiree from Mama Friendly. I'll put a link to her channel as well as a link to the playlist where there are going to be other fabulous creators making desserts, treats, or even gifts. I'm really excited to share this video with you and this recipe, so let's get started. I've already gone ahead and pre-made my brownie batter. This is a very, very thick batter. This is not from a box, but feel free to use a box if you choose to. And I'm gonna put this into a 9x13 baking dish that has parchment paper with handles. And I've sprayed the pan before I put in the parchment paper so that the parchment paper would stay affixed. Now we're gonna put on our Oreos. We need 4 rows of 6. So I'm just gonna space these out. There are our 6. And we're gonna come down this way with 4. So I already have my template, so all I need to do is just keep on adding. And you wanna push them down into the batter. And there we go. We're gonna bake this at 350, probably for about 35 minutes. So here we are, out of the oven. And while these are cooling, let's get started on our cookies and cream frosting. For our cookies and cream frosting, I'm going to be putting 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter in my stand mixer. And we're gonna beat this on high speed until it's light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. We're gonna put in 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt, to cut down on extra sweetness. I think that should be good right there. I'm gonna add in a little bit of milk, about 2 tablespoons. I'm just eyeing this. So our buttercream is really light and fluffy right now. I've just gone ahead and I've crushed some Oreos in a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put them in here. So I just wanna mix it up so that all the chopped up cookies are evenly distributed. There we go. I've taken our brownies out of the pan with the parchment and I've put it on a baking sheet because this is gonna need to go into the refrigerator after we frost them. And I'm gonna take our Oreo cookie buttercream and I'm just gonna dump it out onto our brownies. Just gonna spread this out all over the top. You don't need to worry about making this look nice and pretty because we're gonna be pouring some chocolate over this after this comes out of the refrigerator. Okay, now that this is all set, ready to go, we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator for about, for about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, so that the frosting sets. What I have here is a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter that I melted with a heaping cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we can leave this out at room temp, for about an hour, or we can put it back in the refrigerator and it will set up a lot quicker. The other good thing about having this on a cookie sheet with the parchment is it will catch any drips. As you can see, it's dripped a little bit. Now I'm gonna get this back into the refrigerator for about an hour. Okay, here are the cookies and cream brownies out of the refrigerator, and you're cutting through the layers. Your knife is gonna get dirty, like that. Now if you just took it and started cutting this way again, it'd make your brownies all messy. So you wanna clean this off after every cut. Now let's take one. I'm gonna take this middle one here. See what we have. Look at that. Look at all the layers. Yum. So I just wanted to give you a little bit more of a close-up to look at these layers. So we've got our brownie layer that has the chocolate chips, and we have the Oreos. You can see the Oreo here. And then we have our cookies and cream frosting, and then we have our chocolate on top. I'm gonna cut myself a little piece and just try. Wow, is that ever good? Thanks for joining me today, everyone. I had a lot of fun sharing this recipe with you, and I really hope you make it. And whoever you make these cookies and cream brownies for are gonna love them. Don't forget to check in my description box for the playlist where you're gonna get so many ideas of what you can do as far as desserts, snacks, or gifts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.